Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our Facebook page Mission HSC. Today we will discuss about the structure of hepatobiliary system. The hepatobiliary is composed of two words. One is called hepato and other is called biliary. So hepato or hepatic or this indicates liver. So if you just want to say that we want to mention the cell of liver, then you can say just hepatic cell. Then what it meant by biliary? Biliary is derived from the word bile. From which? Bile. That means biliary is associated with bile. So biliary means secretion of bile in a pathway, and this pathway is known as biliary system. So in this topic we will try to understand the structure of the liver and the biliary pathway. So altogether we can tell it hepatobiliary system. Okay, fine. To understand the hepatobiliary system, at first we have to know that the position of the liver, in which portion of our body liver contains. Actually, liver is situated in our abdominal cavity. Liver is situated in our abdominal cavity. And there is a very interesting thing that I have written here, that the diaphragm is our first slide. So diaphragm, what does it mean by diaphragm actually? Diaphragm means it is a separation between our thoracic cavity and our abdominal cavity. So in this video, if I just mark that this muscular area is our diaphragm, then you can understand that this structure means that the marked structure is diaphragm. It can separate our total lung or our chest cavity, and below that diaphragm is our abdominal cavity. So this diaphragm makes a separation between our chest cavity and our abdominal cavities. So in this figure we can also see that this muscle is our diaphragm, this upper circular area is our thoracic cavity, and the lower circular area, this is our abdominal cavity. So diaphragm is situated between the thoracic cavity and between the abdominal cavity. We have to know about the position of the liver. Actually, if we can zoom in this picture, then we can see that our diaphragm is present like this. Above this diaphragm is our thoracic cavity, and below all the portion is our abdominal cavity. So liver is situated, if I just divide the abdominal cavity into two halves, this is our upper part of the abdominal cavity, this is the lower part of our abdominal cavity. If we just look into the figure, that this is our diaphragm and the liver is situated above the abdominal cavity. In which side? Right side or left side? Liver is situated at right side of our body. So in this figure you have seen that the liver is situated at right side of our body. We can think about that the liver is situated into the upper abdominal cavity, below the diaphragm, and right side of the abdomen. This is the position, or in this part liver is situated at our body. Now we just move on our main discussion topic, that yes, this is our hepatobiliary system. This figure is our hepatobiliary system. Our today's topic is based on this figure. So in this figure we have seen that the red marked area is indicated as liver. This is our liver. Okay, fine. Then the liver, actually in liver there are 4 parts, means liver has 4 parts. One is called, or 4 lobes. One is called right lobe, left lobe, quadrate lobe and caudate lobe. In this figure, if I just draw a line to show the right and left lobe only, then this will be like that. So this is our right lobe of liver and this is our left lobe of liver. And the quadrate and caudate lobe is situated at the inferior part of the liver or the underlying part of the liver, this part. In this part there is the presence of quadrate and caudate lobe. Okay, fine. So in this figure have to be understood by us. So this is our right lobe of liver, this is our left lobe of liver. Then you can see that there is an RHD is indicated right hepatic duct, means this right hepatic duct is derived from the right lobe of liver, and below LHD means left hepatic duct is derived from the left part of the liver. Okay, fine. Then these together means our right hepatic duct and left hepatic duct together form a common hepatic duct. So this is our common hepatic duct or CHD. So if anyone asks you that what is common hepatic duct, you can give the answer, that is, the common hepatic duct is the union of right hepatic duct and left hepatic duct. Then another, if anyone can ask you that from which part right hepatic duct has arrived, then you can say that the right lobe of liver is the main or can give the origin of right hepatic duct, and the left lobe of liver can give the origin of left hepatic duct, and by union of right hepatic duct and left hepatic duct we got the common hepatic duct. We have understood up to this part. Then this balloon shaped area or this balloon shaped part of the hepatobiliary system is known as gallbladder, and in this gallbladder bile is stored. So if anyone asked that is there any reserve or is there any reservoir of bile in our body? Yes, there is a reservoir of bile in our body and it is gallbladder. But if anyone asks you that which organ is responsible for the synthesis of bile, what will be the answer? The answer will be the liver. Liver is the organ of production of bile. So liver can produce bile and this produced bile can be stored into gallbladder. So if anyone tell you that the gallbladder can synthesize bile, is it true or false? It's definitely false. Gallbladder cannot synthesize bile, it just can store the bile. So this balloon shaped area is our gallbladder, and if you just look at carefully, then you can see that a duct named cystic duct, a duct called cystic duct has arrived from the gallbladder. Cystic duct has arrived from gallbladder, and this cystic duct unites with the common hepatic duct. This cystic duct unites with our common hepatic duct. So this cystic duct unites with common hepatic duct to form a common bile duct. So if anyone asks you that how common bile duct is formed, then you can say the common bile duct is formed by the union of cystic duct and common hepatic duct. Then another question will be arrived, that from which source cystic duct has arrived. The cystic duct has arrived from gallbladder. And from which source common hepatic duct is arrived? The common hepatic duct is arrived from union of right hepatic duct and left hepatic duct. I think now all of you have got the clear idea. So if I just demonstrate that from the right part of the liver, if I just demonstrate the figure into this topic, then you can understand that this is our liver, this is our gallbladder. From right part of the liver there is the origination of right hepatic duct, from the left part of the liver there is the origin of left hepatic duct, and this duct is known as common hepatic duct or CHD. And this gallbladder can give the origin of cystic duct, and this cystic duct along with common hepatic duct form the common or CBD, means common bile duct. So what will be the fate of common bile duct? Okay, then you can see that common bile duct continues, and this common bile duct, our common bile duct along with the pancreatic duct, so this is our pancreatic duct, so common bile duct along with pancreatic duct together open in a part of the duodenum which is known as ampulla of Vater. So what is ampulla of Vater? Ampulla of Vater is a dilatation which is produced by the union of common bile duct and pancreatic duct, and this dilatation is controlled, or this opening is controlled by a sphincter, and this sphincter is known as sphincter of Oddi. And in which organ contain ampulla of Vater? It is the part of our intestine called the duodenum. I think now you have got a clear idea what is ampulla of Vater, what is pancreatic duct, and the another name of pancreatic duct is duct of Whitsun or Whitsun duct. So this is this yellow organ. So this yellow organ is known as pancreas, and pancreas has a major duct, so it is called pancreatic duct. Along with common bile duct, it forms a dilatation called ampulla of Vater, and this ampulla of Vater is controlled by a sphincter which is known as sphincter of Oddi. So if we just look into our next picture, then this will be more clear. Okay, so in this figure you can see that this is the separation. So this is our right lobe of liver, this is our left lobe of liver. Okay, so this is the right hepatic duct. You can see that is the left hepatic duct, origin from respectively right lobe of liver and left lobe of liver. They unite to form common hepatic duct. I have mentioned it earlier. And this common hepatic duct along with cystic duct, this common hepatic duct along with cystic duct together form common bile duct. And what is the continuation of common bile duct? Common bile duct along with common bile duct, this is the common bile duct along with the pancreatic duct together form the dilatation called ampulla of Vater. And from in which organ ampulla of Vater is situated? Ampulla of Vater is situated in duodenum. That's all for today. I think all of you have got the clear idea about the structure of the liver, the position of the liver, the hepatobiliary system. So if you gave concentration in that class, then I think you can give the answers of the 3 marks, which is marked by A, marked by B, and marked by C. I request all the audience, please do the answer of the identified mark. So what's the name of the structure A, what's the name of the structure B, and what's the name of the structure C? Please comment, I will give answer. So that's all for today. Hope you guys doing well. Pray for us. Keep commenting, keep supporting. Allah Hafiz.